To close a split check, you will start by deciding which check you would like to close. In this instance, we have this check split into three, as indicated on the top of the check. You will see red circles numbering 1, 2, and 3. Touch on the number check you would like to close, and then choose from the bottom options for quick pay, cash, or card. You can also choose the pay option on the bottom right menu for more detailed payment options. Once closed out, you will see that circle on number 3 is now showing as green, and you will see paid written at the bottom of the check. That means that check number 3 has been paid, and check 2 and 1 are still open and able to be edited or closed out as you'd like.